So today I'll talk about how to make a profitable trading strategy from scratch. So the very basic point is that you need to understand how you are going to implement your strategy and what is the motive behind your strategy. Let's say you want to make a trend following strategy. There are many strategies that you can think of, like trend following or reversal strategy, or you can even create a system that will give you the trades when a stock is not moving much. We can say you are selling strangles or you are selling straddles, so you can make a system around those parameters. But if we talk about how to make a strategy, so you need to understand the every point, that why do you want to make this strategy. So let's say we will start with an example. You want to create a trend following strategy. So first and foremost thing is that you need to know that how you can identify a trend, whether it's a bullish or bearish. So if you want to use some indicators, then you can use some moving averages, you can use some VWAP. This is how I can see like the stock is a bullish or a bearish. So after that you need to see like, okay, now I have identified a stock is in a bull run or it is in a bear run. So now I will look for my entry and my exit points. So for entry, then you need to think where I can take an entry, or you can, let's say if a candle is crossing the moving averages to the upside, then you can buy, or when it is closing down to the moving average, then you can say, okay, I will sell. Or even you can add some indicator like RSI, or there are many other indicators available, and then you can combine those indicators and then make a trend following strategy. Before making any strategy, you just need to know that why are you making this strategy. I know many people just put 10 or 20 indicators and then say, okay, now I will get the confirmation and then I will trade. But firstly you need to choose why do you want to create this strategy, what are the ingredients that you need to put, and if you give importance to each point, then definitely you will make a good profitable trading strategy. So if you have any question, just comment it down, or if you need some advice on trading strategy, then you can just comment it down. I'll definitely help you.